All right, before I forget, that wonderful police officer who helped out Shantae to get to her exams, the mom, they have left something for you here at RJR. I'm going to take it to the front. I understand you're an inspector, so please turn up and get it. If not, Miss Inspector, I'm going to take it home with me. But it's a great gesture, and I thank you on behalf of the family for getting her to school. All right, so now, if you know 3 key vitamins and minerals in Lasco food drink, please give us a call at 733-246-46 for a chance to win this week's basket. Again, be the first to list 3 key vitamins and minerals in Lasco food drink, and the basket is yours. There you go. You wanted to say something.
Just a reminder, just a specification. You only can win that present from Chorus if you are celebrating your 60th birthday. So it's the first 6 who are celebrating their 60th birthday this May. So don't run go if you are celebrating a birthday in time May. They don't have enough presents for you. You have to be celebrating your 60th
So right for me at 66,
birthday.
me get 6 of them.
You don't get anything. Sorry. You don't just get something.
But I'm 66.
You just got something.
All right, so, them not give me nothing, but let's lighten the mood with a fun stuff. Run the bumper, folks. Run the, what we call a bumper.
So this morning's fun stop is we have a few photos to look through and figure out the mistake in each picture. So you remember those things we used to do as kids? What's wrong with the picture? Yeah, that's what we've got today. Let's go. What's wrong with the picture? Neville is in it.
She not have on the socks.
You never wear socks with them shoes, eh?
Why not? Shoes. Socks must be with shoes.
Not these shoes.
But when? See the picture anytime
Apparently
today?
not. Apparently not. These shoes can't wear with socks, eh? We're waiting patiently.
Remember, police officer, Madam Inspector.
You're just
Please.
going to call her Madam Inspector for the whole morning.
What's wrong with the picture? I don't know, come in and see the picture. To tell you what's wrong with it. Or that is the picture, I must say what's wrong with it.
It's coming.
All right. Apart from it's the 31 of June.
30 days of September, April, June, and November. Yeah, June have 30 days.
Apart from that,
So there's no 30.
thank you very much. I got it. Look how long we say apart from that.
The reflection is wrong. Is the wrong hand in the mirror up and down?
No.
Yes.
Yes, Sakduli.
Yeah, man. 1/1 down.
Sakduli. I like it.
That have too much numbers, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, it
It
don't
have
too
enough?
much number.
Okay.
It have too much number. Hold
10,
on.
12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, man, it have
6,
enough. 1,
7,
2, 3,
8.
4, 5, 6.
Oh, that's not 9. That's
Yeah.
not 9 right there.
7, 8. Yeah, that's
That 9 is incorrect, I think. And then
Yeah.
that 10 is right. And then the 11, the other one must be on the other side.
So the
Is
1
that
must come before the X for the 9, and
it?
the
Right.
1 must go
It
past
must
the
switch
X for the
spaces,
11.
the 9 and the 11.
What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they must switch.
Oh, Sakduli.
What's wrong with this picture?
What's wrong?
And that's a grape leaf, look.
Wait, no, man.
Grape leaf.
Wait.
That's a.
Wait now.
It wrong?
Me
It
try to
don't-
figure out.
And that's how it going.
And that's one of them is a balloon.
No, man. Grape
Me don't notice nothing.
ground, non-existent kind of grape. Fern leaves. Yeah. Fern leaf and grape.
So is the fern is the problem?
Yeah. That grape leaf no looks like.
Yeah, grape is vine
Mm.
business. Me never get that.
What's wrong with this picture? Breeze a blow her already.
Wait no, man.
If she going, yeah, the breeze blowing her hair, and there's she now. What's the answer, guys?
I don't know.
The girl that have fallen with the rope attached this way. Oh.
Right.
Oh. Oh. Instead of it being in the middle of the stick.
No, man, go back to that one. I don't get that one.
Yeah.
No, but everybody has shake them head. Me say me don't get it, so me
Yeah.
want to see it again. Me no business want to get it.
It's where it's holding. Yeah, I see now. Okay, I get it. An engineer would have seen that. I didn't.
Oh, the hole should be in
Yeah,
the
in the middle of the stick.
Yes. All right, now I know.
Huh? I don't understand.
Hold on, 1 clock, the 2 clock, them say the same time? Yes. Don't it? Don't the 2 clock, them say the same time? Yes, so it's not the clock.
I don't see that one. I don't know what's wrong.
Or is it?
Right, you know that's not true because there are places in the world
That
where
is
there's
2
complete
o'clock.
dark and
That's
there are
2
places in
o'clock.
the world where there are complete light. And
Do you
things
know that
happen
as a
with the
little
lights.
boy, I used to hear that Australia would have morning when we have night?
Yeah.
So when I looked and I saw the sunset and it bright and looked like it's morning, I used to say, you know, see Australia that? That's what I used to tell. Serious. As a little boy, I used to tell my friend, you can't show me the bright than
Australia.
everybody. And them did believe me.
Of course you are.
I said, that is Australia because them have morning. Because you know, the sunset is just bright and orange and look like it's morning time. So I said,
We're going to go for a break, guys.
that's Australia. Only don't want to
Australia's
hear my
coming up
story.
soon.
And you know, on the way live to see say Israeli Australia.